Hello and welcome to Placement Wala. I'm Muskan, co-founder of Placement Wala. So welcome everyone. Today I've brought many opportunities for you guys, which will be a very good start for you. And our first opportunity is in Google. It is for software engineer and 2026 pass outs can apply for that. And the location here are many locations: Bangalore, Karnataka, Gurugram, Haryana. So you can apply according to your preferable location. Okay, and the qualifications they need from you is just bachelor's degree or advanced degree in computer science or computer engineering or a related field. So anyone can apply for that, and you should have experience in C, C++, Java or Python. You can read what all they need from you additionally, and you can read about the job role and the responsibilities, and then simply click on apply. So this is a very fresh opportunity. So apply as fast as possible. As you can see, it is very early opportunity. So apply as fast as possible. Then a second one is in Amazon. It is for Associate ML Data Operations. Okay, and the location here is Chennai, and you can apply from here directly. Here they have given the description and what all they need from you, what will be the work hours and all. They have given everything in detail, and the basic qualifications they need from you is just bachelor's degree, and everything else you should have the experience, the skills. Okay, so the preferred qualifications again: work a flexible schedule, shift work area including weekends, nights or days or holidays. So that's it. You have to simply apply from here. Okay, guys. So next hiring is in Superset. That is also a really great opportunity for all of you for 2024 and 2025 batch especially. And the last day to apply is 15th of June. And here they have given their salary breakup. You can read, you can go through that. Then you can go through the job description and the eligibility criteria. It's important that you should have passed 10th standard, 12th standard, and in graduation you should have 60% of or above. So you should have 6 CGPA maintained. Okay, and the year of passing is 2024 and 2025, as I told you. And the qualification they need from you is Bachelor's of Computer Science, BCA, Bachelor's of Science, BSc, eligible streams of Computer Science, Information Technology, Mathematics, Statistics, Electronics, and Physics. Then the other criteria they have mentioned, like open school is allowed from 10th and 12th only, and one backlog is allowed at the time of online assessment, and candidates are expected to clear that before the sixth semester. Okay, and you should have mandatory core mathematics in your subject during graduation, and maximum 3 year of gap is allowed in between like 10th to the commitment of graduation, but no gaps are allowed in graduation, and only Indian citizens are allowed. And if you're from Bhutan or Nepal, then you have to submit your citizenship certificate. Okay, and other things you can go through that in detail. And yeah, let's talk about the rounds. There are three total rounds. So first round contains of online assessment, and in online assessment you will have verbal. You have 20 minutes and you have to solve 20 questions. Then in analytics you will have 20 minutes. Then you have to solve 20 questions. Then in quantitative you have 20 minutes and then you have to solve 20 questions. And a written communication test you will again have 20 questions. So by this all the whole round one will be completed. It will be of total 80 minutes in four sections. Okay. Then round two is voice assessment. Then round three is business discussion, and then service agreement. 60 month you have to sign on the agreement. Okay, guys. Then you can read all the terms and conditions of Wipro, what they all want and what are the terms and conditions, and then simply apply on click now. So go through the application very thoroughly, and then only you have to apply for it. So that's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. Like and subscribe for more updates.